Here's the conversation between Anne, fourth engineer, and Nam, motorman, discussing lengths while incorporating micrometer, millimeter, centimeter, and meter measurements using new maritime terms. Nam, do you know the clearance between the piston ring and the piston grooves? Yes, it's about 400 micrometers. Very precise work. Correct. What's the typical thickness of the exhaust valve seat? I think it's around SOT 10 millimeters. That's right. Do you know the length of the push rod in the main engine? It's usually 1.2 meters. Good. What's the diameter of the fuel pump plunger piston? Around 25 millimeters, I believe. Spot on. And what about the width of the camshaft bearing? It's approximately 8 centimeters. That's correct. How long is the connecting rod bolt? About 20 centimeters, depending on the engine model. Excellent. What's the clearance for the exhaust tappet adjustment? It's usually set at zero point 0.6 millimeters for proper operation. Perfect. Do you know the thickness of the stern tube seal? It's around 5 millimeters. That's a good estimate. How long is the hydraulic jacking pump lever? The lever is about 50 centimeters long. Correct. What's the diameter of the propeller hub? It's around 2 meters, depending on the propeller size. Good observation. How long is a standard scavenge port in the liner? Around 15 centimeters, I think. Spot on. Finally, what's the thickness of the crankcase ventilation system duct? About 4 millimeters. Well done, Nam. Your understanding of these measurements is improving. Thanks, Anne. Connecting numbers to equipment makes it easier to remember. This conversation integrates micrometer, millimeter, centimeter, and meter units with a variety of maritime terms that were not previously used, ensuring a fresh and practical dialogue.